This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. It's my pleasure to be here with you in these online lessons. In this video, I'm going to go over another great strumming pattern that works well for 4/4 time, as that's what we're doing right now in the lesson series, so it's going to be great. This one also uses 16th notes and 8th notes, which is what we've been doing lately, so this is a super fun one. It's going to be super awesome. After I've gone over it, of course, we'll jam together on a chord progression using this, and as we're jamming together, we'll be jamming right along with bass and drums accompaniment, so it's going to be awesome. This video accompanies lesson 14 from my Chords and Harmony Books 1 and 2 method book. In the book, we're going to be on pages 93 and 94. This is strumming pattern number 27, found there on page 93, and we're going to be playing chord progression number 18, found on page 94, after we've learned this strumming pattern. Alright, so this one's a little bit tricky. Let's take a look at it. We got lots of 16th notes and some places with that ties, which do give us a little bit of syncopation. So down, down, up, down, 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 up. 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 Now you can just work on pieces of it at a time if you need to. So down, down, up, up. Down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down, down, down. Down, down, up, down, down, down. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. We're going to be playing this in the key of E minor, so I'll go ahead and demonstrate it with an E minor chord. So we'd have ready and... We're also going to be playing with A minor and B7, so you can practice it with those chords if you want to as well. But here in the video, I'm going to go ahead and start jamming with you on the chord progression. So chord progression number 18 from page 94. We'll insert this strumming pattern once per measure. We're going to do this at two different tempos. First a slower tempo and then a faster tempo. So it's going to be great. Take care and let's go ahead and have fun jamming on this. Okay, awesome. In the next video, we're going to take a look at a strumming pattern that uses two measures. It goes across two measures, works well for 4/4 time, so it's going to be super fun. Take care, and I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at kristenbromley.com. Take care.